everyone, it's Tammy and welcome to day 10 of our 12 tags of Christmas. We're getting close to the end and they are still just as easy as they were to start, and it's crazy that they are, but I am liking that a lot and I hope that you guys are too. So this one uses some craft paper and one of these little embellishments that I got from AliExpress, some gold paper, and then 2 punches. Actually, that's not true. A few punches. So let's get started. I kind of made it look like a little bell, I think. And I didn't put ribbon on this again. Dingbat, that's the second time I've done that. Well, I'll just do it at the end because you guys know I'll do it anyway. Okay, so I'm going to take I have just a piece of, let's see, it's 1.5 inches. This is about 2.5 inches of craft cardstock. I'm going to put it in my punch and I'm just going to kind of center it the best that I can. And this punch, if you push really hard, it gives you a little embellishment kind of a thing too, so I try to keep that. So this is just in my stash of punches. I don't even know if it has a name. I'm sure it does, but I don't know its name. Its name is Jack. No. Why are you not going back in there? There. Okay, and then I'm going to, on mine that I made, I went ahead, because I didn't know it was going to be a bell to start, and I went ahead and freehanded the corners, and I think that this is going to be too wide or too long, so I'm going to cut this down about 1/2 inch. So I made it about 2 inches by 1.5 inches, and then I'm going to round the edges with my 1/2 inch rounder, and then, and I didn't center that very well. There's a part of me that wants to center that because I don't like the way it looks. You know what? I'm going to start over again. I'm sorry. I don't like that one. So let's just start over again. So I said about 1.5 inches by about 2 inches, or no, was it 2 inches? Oh, that's 3 inches. Okay. Let's do 2 1/4. That doesn't look long enough. And I'm going to try to center this better. I think that that's where I messed up. That looks better. And then the 1/4 inch, or the 1/2 inch rounder, and then I'm going to take my hole punch and punch a hole in the top. And then I'm going to take my embellishment and glue that on. So you can see how easy this is to make. And then I'm going to take my little bitty round punch, and I have some gold cardstock. And this is going to make the little ringer. So I'm just going to put it on one side of the bell and hang this down. So I just have it glued on the corner there. And I need to get rid of this twine because it bugs me because it's it frays so easily. I'm going to tie it in a knot up here too. There we go. That's cute. Isn't that cute? Maybe if I use this on the next one, I will have used the whole tube of it. I mean, I like it. It's pretty, but it really is pretty and it's soft, but I don't like that it frays so badly. It's a pretty color. There we go. So that was our fast and easy again. Card number 10. Thanks for watching, guys. Be creative.